Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone that is watching. Welcome to our academic interaction and presentation for LPE2301. So today, my partner and I are going to present our AP portfolio. To start with the introduction, I would like to ask you ladies and gentlemen a very simple question. Have any of you ever heard of flying cars before? Of course, yes. In fact, we all thought that we had flying cars by now. So, where are they? Without further ado, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sarah Wajah binti Azman, and my matrix number is 203716. I am studying the course of Bachelor in Aerospace Engineering, and my partner.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aida binti Zarul Akma, and my matrix number is 203732, and I'm from Communication and Computer System.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flying cars has been depicted in so many works of arts, such as in famous movies, for example, Star Wars and also Back to the Future. To top it off, even our former Prime Minister Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad thought that we'd had flying cars by 2020. So where are they now? Why still we can't see any flying cars around? So to dispel your doubts, my partner and I are going to share our knowledge about why we still don't have flying cars around. So I present to you our AP portfolio topic. Where is my flying car? The advantages and disadvantages. I am going to start with the advantages first. The first advantage of using a flying car is minimizing traffic pollution. Why does this happen? This is because the normal vehicle that we use on roads, such as cars, motorcycles, and trucks, emits gases which are harmful to us. For example, carbon monoxide. These colorless, odorless, and poisonous gases are formed by the combustion of fossil fuel, which are used to make the on-road vehicles work. What does it make a difference when using a flying car? This is because flying car is known as electric cars. Why? Because flying cars does not need to use any fossil fuel to work. It only requires them to be charged. Therefore, this will contribute to a healthier and a safer environment for our future. Proceeding with the next advantage. The next advantage of flying car is it saves time. Why can I say that? This is because if we use a normal on-road vehicle to travel from one place to another, we will need to go through all the obstacles, all the turns, all the going up and down the hill, and also being stuck in a traffic jam. So if you use a flying car, we don't need to go through all that. A simple example, if we were going to travel from Kuala Lumpur to Johor Bahru, using a car, it would take us about 5 hours to get there. While if we use an aeroplane, it would take us about 1 hour. An aeroplane is a simple example to portray a flying car because it works the same. It has the same concept. So, what can I say is that if we use a flying car, we get to save time. By saving time, we can use that time that we save to make use of it by doing some more quality activities, spending time with our loved ones, and also to get more rest. This will help us to get a better quality life and also a much more meaningful life. That's all for the advantages. Now I would like to pass to my partner Aida.
Now, I'm going to present about the disadvantages of flying cars. The reason why we don't have flying cars yet in 2020 is because flying cars are designed for small numbers of people. Due to requirement that this flying car must be lightweight to be able to get off the ground without using too much energy. As you can see photo from the slide, flying cars are nearly the same as a normal car. That's why they are designed for small numbers of people, which will be 2 to 4 passengers only. Some people say that this is the same as the car, but you can consider that we could replace many cars with electric bus or light railway in the cities than the efficiency of flying cars. Now, I'm going to move on to my second point, which is flying cars are expensive. Even though flying cars might not be millions of dollars like the government project, but they definitely won't come cheap. The car plane developed by Terra Fugia has a price tag almost $300,000 compared to the cost of a new car, which is about $30,000. So you can imagine that if car companies start selling flying cars in the future, they will price higher than most of us can afford. Not only that, full costs for planes are more expensive than costs for the cars. Flying cars also need a runway for them to landing. The reason why they need a runway because flying cars runway is not the same as the flying cars for the plane. That's why government need to use more money in producing the flying cars. In conclusion, the reason why we don't have flying cars yet in 2020 is because flying cars are designed for small numbers of people and they are expensive. Therefore, if the government wants to produce a flying cars, they should overcome the disadvantages so that the flying car that has been produced will be affordable, useful, and safe for everyone to use it. That's all from us. Thank you.